Got the girls here on the hot tub, having the time of their life. That's what you do on port days. You come early to the hot tub and you got a hot tub all for yourself. Good morning, expedition people. Today we are at Cozumel. It is day number 6 of our sailing and we are getting ready to go for breakfast. And this is where we are. It's kind of like right in front of the Three Amigos. Still a little walk to get off the port, but nothing impossible. First, we want to make sure that we can get breakfast and then energize up, and then we'll be heading off the ship. So we'll catch up with y'all later. Washy time. Remember guys, even in Carnival doesn't have a little person saying washy all the time. Make sure y'all wash your hands. Adisha Mina is interested on getting the job with Carnival, so please, Carnival, check out her resume. Okay guys, today I had a feeling for a heavy breakfast. So I got me some egg benedict, French toast, some ham, potato wedges, some pastry, and I dropped in some salami in there too. Inside I got some yogurt.
Banana strawberry yogurt.
Banana strawberry yogurt. I definitely going in for a heavy breakfast today so we can get some energy to head out to port. But yeah, I woke up and I was like, you know what? I need some heavy food today.
But this is how to make banana strawberry yogurt. I know it just looks like strawberry, but it's banana and strawberry. So 2 scoops of strawberry, 1 scoop of banana, and put a little bit of the nuts from the oatmeal station.
Yeah, I'm down for that. Oh wow.
That's like 10-year-old biscuits.
And it's gonna crumble. Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and finish up this breakfast. Got the girls here on the hot tub, having the time of their life. That's what you do on port days. You come early to the hot tub and you got a hot tub all for yourself. And parked right next to us, we got the Carnival Horizon. There are 2 royal ships. I can't see the name from this distance. All right, so another place that the girls wanted to check also was the pool in the back in deck 8, which is right next to the whirlpool. So they were just hanging out right next to the hot tubs. Well, the pool today looks beautiful because there's almost nobody in the ship. So they have the pool all for themselves right now. With the chairs, all you got to do if you're here is just tell the lifeguard and they will definitely help you to make sure that the entire family can have some good time at the pool. Like I said, the view here, especially on port days, is amazing, especially since there is nobody and you can enjoy the pool like my girls are doing right about now. All right guys, we just got off the ship a little bit later. We wanted to wait for the little chaos of people coming off the ship to die down a little bit, and now we are finally out. You can see the beautiful Carnival Jubilee right behind us. Amazing, beautiful ship. And then the Carnival Horizon is parked right next to us. I know Royal Enchantment is over there. Sai is taking some pictures. So right now we are like off the port. We're walking through the duty free as usual. You know how it is in duty free. After every port, you got to go through duty free first. So they want to make sure that they grab your money before you leave. Right now we are at Port Cozumel, and you can see right in front of me is your excursion meeting points. As normal, by the number. Somebody's taking a shot there.
Why did the donkey look like that?
People just taking shots there. And there's your meeting points for the excursions. Those stairs are pretty for pictures. Right in front of Viva Mexico, Puerta Maya. What is that?
To put on your table.
Oh, mantel. This area we're working up right now is actually more excursions, meeting points. So as we can see, we did came out of the ship a little bit later, but there's still people leaving on excursions right now. Not exactly sure which ones, but they're still going for excursions at this time. And also, we're not sure if they are in Jubilee, because there's like 4 or 5 ships right now at port. Shamina was just saying that there's actually like prices for the taxis and the different destinations that you can take right here by port.
Hotels, hospitals.
That's pretty good. And then if we keep walking, that's gonna be the port exit right there. This is the exit for port. So those of you guys who want to, you just gotta come over here. And I'm sure you can get a lot of information and questions right out there.
Got you.
This is really a nice place to take some pictures, and you can get your glass bottom boat excursions here too. If you want to take a ride and you can see under the ocean on those boats, it's actually pretty cool. And there's one of the catamaran excursions already coming back from the beach. Really nice, like super clear water. You guys always wondering where can you stamp your passport? There's this bar when you walk in a port. It's called Señorita Margarita, and right across from it you're gonna find this spot where you can just stamp your passports. There's your Fat Tuesday frozen daiquiri store. Okay guys, so right here is your Fat Tuesday menu.
You guys, guess how much this is in the duty-free shop? It's a little purse with a little turtle. Pause the video, comment the price. This is
$47.50.
I get this in the dollar store for like $5.
All right, so here are the ships, and that's the little walk that you got to do. So basically, you just give them what you can, and they will drive you to port. But there's not a fee. If they try to charge you a fee, it says that you can report them. But obviously, it's always good to just give them a tip or something. These guys are, you know, putting up with this heat and everything, pedaling the bicycle to get you back to the ship. So, yeah, we got to help them out. And now, after that quick walk at port, we're heading back to the beautiful Carnival Jubilee. But yeah, guys, we'll catch up as soon as we get on board the ship. We're trying to find our room, and we're actually able to find it like right here. They got German chocolate cake. They got some cherry Mitchell, your fruits, cookies, passion fruit cakes, and your chocolate cream cakes. There you have your gelato station. They got praline and mango. Oh, I'm definitely got to try those. And some blood orange sponge cake. And for today in the buffet, we have cream of tomato soup, rotini with sausage, Mediterranean pilaf, mahi-mahi scabeche, spiced chicken kebab, pork steak paziola. All right, so Shamina got some dessert. What you got there?
They had mango gelato, praline gelato, usual German chocolate. This one is a cherry one. There's a key lime and mango one. There's a blood orange one. And there's a passion one.
So I got a cookie, a chocolate cake, I got 2 grapes, I got one pineapple and I got one strawberry. You might be wondering where a lot of it went. I ate it. It's really good.
Look, look, look. Oh my gosh. Oh. Run! 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 Run!
Well, they're lucky they got the bicycles, they don't gotta run.
Look at him, look at him.
Tick tock, tick tock. You better tip them $50.
It's a horn battle. It moves so fast. We're already like away from the pier.
Sizzling hot scampi. It's a lot of sizzle.
So that's the jambalaya, the scampi, and Zai got rice and beans. It's definitely steaming hot.
Oh, that's pasta.
It's a little bit of pasta. Yeah. It's like a light pasta. Then they give you little garlic breads. So this is additional, you guys, for Emeril. There's a menu and there's seafood and Cajun inspired dishes.
How's the flavor?
It tastes more tomato saucy than garlicky, but it's really good. It's hot time.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not hot.
Garlic bread, good. Very nice meal. Right now, everything's sizzling hot. You can't say the food is all and cold. Still hot. How is it? There's a bean and the rice.
For me?
And now the jambalaya. Hopefully it's cool, you know. Good jambalaya. Actually, it tastes nice. Red bean and rice. I like Cajun beans, so let's see. It's more sweet. I think you put like a barbecue sauce or something in it.
Barbecue sauce and beans?
I don't know. It tastes more sweet. What would they put to make it so sweet?
Sugar.
Sugar? Yeah, it's more on the sweet side. I'm used to like savory beans. That's more on the sweet side. But everything's good.
Okay.
Really good meal.
Good stuff. And this is from
Emeril's Bistro.
Emeril's Bistro 717 here.
And it's not too pricey. So for all this I paid like $25.
Oh, it's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's not
Okay.
bad.
Okay, guys, vignettes on the table, and let me tell you, they look really, really, really good. But since I don't eat shellfish, I get the privilege to taste the vignette first. Ooh, they are fatty. I want to taste it first without jelly. They're chubby and fluffy. They taste that powdery sugar. Taste that vignette. It's pretty good. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit so I can put some jelly in them and then enjoy them. But they look pretty good and they taste very good. Uh-oh. 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 Ah.